Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. It's a Saturday, I'm in the shop, and I wanted to make a video for you. I have got, if you've thought about buying an edge bander, if you're in the market, want to get into production, want to replace what's in your shop, I have come together with Ed at Vantedge Edge Banders to give you a great deal on an edge bander, and we put together an offer that will save you about $10,000 to $15,000 when you purchase a new edge bander from him. Let me tell you a little bit about that offer, what he's going to throw in and include, because you've watched a video of mine on YouTube or I've talked to you about something. But here's how I met Ed. 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago, I was at the Las Vegas Woodworking Show. I was there to talk to Anderson about a CNC. I already had it on order, I think. I was just there. I was in and out for a day. I met Ed, had no intentions of buying an edge bander, and Ed walked me through his machine, and I loved it. First off, you can't go wrong with this beautiful red color. It just looks great in my shop. It's my favorite color. That sucked me in at the very beginning. But then I looked at the machine. It was solid, well built, simple, and easy to operate. Additionally, he's showing me through the machine. There was a whole bunch of little things that just bugged me on other machines, and he'd fixed. He'd add additional rollers in the workstation to hold the part tighter. He'd put scrapers on the rollers so that it'd keep them clean. Glue cleaning station I'm going to show you. And so anyways, I bought it. Part of the deal was that I would make some videos for him about the machine, and now we're a year into it, and I said, I'm going to make a video for you, but you got to make a really, really good deal for the people that watch my videos. And so thank you if you watch my stuff. I appreciate it, and I just do this because I enjoy sharing it. But here's what Ed's going to do for you on his 4.5 and above machines. We got about 5 things that he's going to throw in at no additional cost. So the first big iron machine that I bought, I had to go out, it got delivered, it shows up, it's got these holes on the top, and I got to get a dust collection manifold made for it. I think at that time I paid $5 grand. I might even paid $6 grand for the dust collection manifold. As part of the offer, the TCD 23, the Closet Doctor 23 offer, Ed is going to include a dust manifold that's custom built for your machine, no additional charge. The next thing he's going to do, and one of the things I love about this machine is it's got a great glue pot on it. It's a quick change glue pot. Runs really good. Here's ours. This thing is nice and clean, stays very clean. To switch out the glue pot, I got the cover off. This cover pulls off, and this screw unbolts, and you grab it right here and here with 2 hands, and it lifts out. It's got a great connection. You know, the other machines, they got this big gear pulls out of this big pit of grease. Anyways, I like his glue pot. Works really good, and he's going to give you a second one at no additional charge. My other big machine, when I had it, I bought a second glue pot. Cost about $5,000 to $6,000. Ed sells them $2,500 to $2,800 for it, depending on which level of machine you get with him. And he's going to throw one in at no additional charge, so you'll have two glue pots for your machine. Why do you need 2 glue pots? Well, you can send one out and have it clean, or you can clean it in the shop, and I'll show you that in a second. Or if you're running 2 different types of glue, you can have white and black, however you want to do it, and you can switch them in and out. So speaking of cleaning and switching in and out, let me show you this. We'll come over here, and let me show you this guy here that he's also going to include. So this is his glue cleaning station is what it's got. This allows you to run your glue pot out of your machine just like it's in your machine. So it's got a temperature sensor on it. You turn it on, just hopped on right there. I've got this glue pot up to temperature right now, and I turned the glue roller on, and it's now running just like it would be in your machine. He's got a little guy that pops on here and allows you to turn the glue on and run all of the glue out of it. But so you can take it. You can take your old glue out and put in glue cleaning pellets on it and maintain your glue pot. Instead of letting it get all dirty and nasty every couple of months, we pull it out and swap out, put the other one in. They're both adjusted and work well. We swap them out and we clean one glue pot. So that's about a $5,000 piece of equipment there that he normally sells. He's going to include that with the sale, like I said, a 4.5 above. So you got a glue pot and you got a glue cleaning station for your edge bander. That way you can keep it clean and maintained. That's the heart of, that's where everything starts for having good edge banding on a machine. The last thing he's going to do is, this is at my request. I like quiet shops. I hate having to wear earplugs with noise canceling headsets on the outside. It's just tiring, it wears you down, and it's bad for your hearing. You don't want to be deaf. And so these machines that have pre-mill on them, you can kind of see mine right here. These machines that have pre-mill on it, this has got a whole bunch of cutters on it, and it spins real fast and makes lots of noise. They actually make cutter heads. I've put noise, sound deadening material on it to bring that noise down a little bit, but they make cutter heads that are designed that run quieter than other ones. They're called whisper quiet cutter heads. They're $1,000, $1,500 for a set of those, depending on where you buy them. He's going to equip the machine, in this offer, he's going to equip your machine with the whisper quiet cutter heads at no additional charge. So we added up your $10,000 to $15,000 in stuff, depending on the model and level that you're going to do. He's also going to give you 3 days of on-site training, as well as free shipping anywhere in the continental United States for that equipment at no additional charge. So it's literally an out-the-door price. Last thing, if you've ever wanted a return conveyor, Ed now has return conveyors as part of his package, manufactured by Vantedge Edge Banders. Years ago, I got a quote on one. I thought it was a really great idea. It was half the cost of the piece of equipment that I was buying to put it on, the edge bander I was buying it on. I just couldn't justify that kind of cost. And so he has designed a really nice, manufactured out of aluminum extrusions and really nice rollers and return systems. I've seen one in use, and just a really nice high quality one. It's already priced well below the competition out there, so it's already a good deal. And if you package it with a new edge bander, he's going to give you an additional 10% off on that. And so you can put that all in one package. So really, really great deal. Save you a lot of money if you're in the market. I also have, so all of that information, contact information, is in the description below. Ed's contact information, Vantedge's website, my phone number. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'll be glad to talk to you about it. Additionally, I've got a great financing guy that lowest rates available in equipment financing that I can hook you up with. And this is just something I've done for my friends and people that I talk to, because I like this machine, and I want you to have a good machine that's going to put out a great edge for you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you're in the market, make sure that you call and talk to Ed and get a price on that. Thanks. Have a good day.